Thank you very much. Good evening to all of you and respected PC Vishwanath Ji, Honorable Minister for Tourism and Culture, Government of Kerala, and Honorable MLA Muralidharan Ji, and Honorable Mayor of Trivandrum, V.V. Rajshekhar Ji, and my beloved friends Raghu Nair Ji, and respected Nazib Ji, and C.C. Nair Ji, and Mr. Prasad Ji, and our backbone of tourism sector in Andhra Pradesh, Special Chief Secretary Sri Ajay Jain Ji, and all other dignitaries on the dais, off the dais. Very warm greetings to all of you. Since yesterday I have been speaking so many things with all of you, and I have witnessed the stalls organized by GTM 2026, and really I feel proud that GTM 2026, the organizers have done excellent job, and what we feel is that though we have been to several countries to participate in ITP and other things, it is much better than those activities. So kudos to GTM 2026, and I wish that this would continue, and we will take up that activity next year in Andhra Pradesh. In 2027, we are going to organize this GTM in Andhra Pradesh, and the date is also fixed that World Tourism Day, that is 27th of September. That is the date, and venue will let you know later. And thanks for that one also, for providing us opportunity to take up that activity. Apart from that, one important thing I wish to tell you is that my heartfelt thanks to all of you, especially to GTM 2026, because this is the day, June 4th, 2 years back, 2024, June 4th only, our aliens government came into power in Andhra Pradesh. That is the same day that BJP, Janasena, Telugu Desam, these three parties combinedly came into power as aliens parties, and this is the day we got into power in Andhra Pradesh. This is the day we are receiving the award from GTM 2026. It is a memorable day for all of us. And one more thing I wish to tell you is that Kerala is much ahead in developing so many tourism activities, and that's why entire country is feel proud of Kerala for its remarkable developments regarding tourism activities. We also in Andhra Pradesh, for the past 2 years, our Andhra Pradesh tourism activities have become vibrant under the dynamic leadership of the known leader Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu, Chief Minister, and the film star and Janasena Party leader, Deputy Chief Minister Sri Pavan Kalyan Garu, and ultimately in the center Narendra Modi Garu. With all these three people, double engine Sarkar is going on in Andhra Pradesh, and we made Andhra Pradesh as a vibrant tourism sector. And one thing I wish to tell you is that Andhra Pradesh is already accorded industry status to tourism sector. In fact, one thing I wish to tell you is that we have been replicating several best practices of Kerala tourism activities in Andhra Pradesh. So we are following that one. Now, I wish to make an appeal or request that you please follow in according industry status to Kerala tourism also. That is what I request you from our side. And because of the industry status, several private partners are coming forward to take up activities in tourism sector in Andhra Pradesh. For the past 2 years, we could able to attract nearly more than 20,000 crores of investments in tourism sector. So I wish to tell you is that the policy, very good policy is there with Kerala government also. And one thing I request is that if you provide industry status to tourism sector, naturally that would give a different dimension to the tourism sector also. That is my appeal. And apart from that, right from the morning I have been watching several people across the country have been participating in this GTM 2026. Several stalls I witnessed, I personally discussed with the people, and especially we are very much impressed with the wellness activities being taken place in Kerala. All people could able to participate in wellness activities. So you are doing excellent job in wellness tourism. So in Andhra Pradesh also we have got nearly 1054 kilometers stretch of coastline in Andhra Pradesh. All along the coast of Andhra Pradesh we wish to develop these wellness centers. We have got Visakhapatnam, a beautiful place, Araku Valley, Lambasiki, Maredipalli, those places are there. Like that, very good temple tourism, that is our domestic tourism is based on Tirupati, Tirupati Venkateswara Swami, Balaji is there. Like that we have got all sorts of tourism potentiality in Andhra Pradesh. We wish to develop all those activities in a very big way, and we wish to take the inspiration from Kerala tourism activities and Kerala government. So it's very nice that we are being adjudged as the best tourism promotion state among all the states in the country. Thank you very much for that one. And at a crucial juncture, we are being receiving this award because we are in a mood of vibrating tourism sector in Andhra Pradesh. This award would provide us more and more support and inspiration and motivation towards making Andhra Pradesh is the international destination for tourism activities. So thank you once again very much, and I especially congratulate the organizers of GTM 2026, and we will carry forward this inspiration to Andhra Pradesh also, and we will organize this GTM 2027 in Andhra Pradesh. Thank you very much. Thank you for providing us this good opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you.